Hi, I'm Austin. Welcome back to my shop. I wanted to make a quick little video here in regards to the laser engraver attachment on my CNC machine. Now, I've been using this machine just a little over a year now. I think it was probably a few months until I actually started using the laser engraver, so I probably haven't been using it for quite a year. But the thing I want to talk about today is the little lens inside there. Now, when I first started using this, I could burn almost any type of wood, um, and it worked awesome. Um, Great with anything. Lately, I've noticed that like hard maple is really hard to engrave. So what I've just been trying to avoid it actually. I was reading on a forum the other day to use a Q-tip and alcohol. So that's exactly what I did. I got some alcohol and I cleaned the lens. One end I put alcohol on, the other end I just kept dry. Stuck the dry end in there and cleaned it up, and I noticed a huge difference in the engraving. I'll just show you an example here of a sign I did. You can see this sign here, it's got a little bit of sapwood along the outside, and when I first was starting there, it just didn't want to engrave in it very well. After I cleaned it out, I mean, you can see right there, it had no problem doing any of that. So just a quick tip, if you're using one of these laser engravers, this is actually the 3-watt model. I know they've got a couple more now that are a little more powerful. But yeah, if you've got one of these laser engravers here, it's a good idea to clean it out. I'll probably be cleaning mine maybe once a month or so. I know it's probably got 8 months of laser engraving on it. I know when I read it said about an hour was a good interval to clean it. I know I've done engravings that are 3 hours long, so it's kind of hard to stop in the middle and do it, but I would say maybe once a month and you'll definitely notice some good results. But I want to thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'd love to answer those for you. Thank you very much. Bye.